Hello guys, my name is Luca and in this video we will make an unboxing and I will give you my first impressions about the JBL Soundbar, the Cinema SB550. So this soundbar costs around $200. It is a 3.1 surround sound system that gives us 250 watts of power. But first, let's see what we have in the box. We find the main soundbar unit. I will put it exactly like this near the amazing JBL bar 1300, the MK2. And here we should have the wireless subwoofer and the wireless 5.25 inch subwoofer. Okay, nothing else in the box, but let's see what we have in the small box. Probably the power cables. So we have one power cable for the main soundbar unit, the second power cable for the wireless subwoofer, because of course we need to connect it to the power source. We have the remote control, that it is pretty minimal, and the HDMI, because this soundbar has Bluetooth 5.3, I think. It has optical, it has HDMI, so it has all the connectors that we need to enhance the sound of the smart TV. So I have connected the soundbar unit to the power source, the wireless subwoofer to the power source, and let us power on. Okay, so it turned on. I don't see any display on it. No, it doesn't have display. So let's see first the inputs of the speaker. It has the USB, it has the optical, it has the HDMI ARC. I really like that it has ARC, and of course the power cable. It has these tactile buttons here. It has this metal finish and plastic on the top that doesn't leave the fingerprints. Of course on the side it doesn't have nothing. And this is the 5.25 inch wireless subwoofer that of course on the back it has the pairing button, and that's it. Okay, this is the remote control, and this is the remote control of this soundbar, the JBL bar 1300, the MK2. Of course this one looks better, but I can say that this one doesn't look bad. Look at the size between the MK2 versus the small SB550. Of course the MK2 have two rear detachable speakers, and it has an amazing and very heavy subwoofer. But let's connect it to the smartphone and see how this will sound. Probably when it is blue it will pair with the smartphone, or we can simply tap the Bluetooth button and probably it entered pairing mode. I will search it on my phone. Okay, so I see here the JBL Cinema SB550. It is pairing. Okay, pair. And now this speaker, this soundbar, it is paired. Remember that this soundbar it is a 3.1 sound system that delivers 150 watts of power, the main soundbar unit, and another 100 watts of power, the subwoofer. So a total of 250 watts of power, and it should be a stereo, because it is a 3.1. So let's start with the sound test. Turn it up.
To the top of the whole shake, wave in the cup, make the whole room quake. I came with a test, not a peace treaty. For the thump, hit clean, nice and deep, baby. We just kiss the air high like go cries. Crystal in the top shop on both sides. Movers in the trunk, got a chest full of thunder. Subs on the floor, make the whole town wonder. Stop, soft on my tongue, I'm all in the tide. Hands on the knob, let it open wide. One kick, one snap, let it surf through the dark. I'm checking every corner, every bite, every spark. Turn it up, let it roll, make the windows moan. If it passes this test, then it's built to the bone. Check the bass, check the high, check the woofer, check the sky. Let it crash, let it fly, make the whole ship lean right. Check the sub, check the screen, make it run like a machine. Check the bass, check the high, keep it wild, keep it alive. Keep it wild, keep it alive. That can's back up when I first drop lands. I want that kick like a fist in my hands. Not too muddy, not too thin. I need a low end breathing under my skin. Tweeters flutter when the cymbals slice. Every little detail cut clean and precise. If the mids get crowded, I hear it. I don't let it pass. Chugged up guitars on a riptide run. Snare hits hard like a cannon gun. I'm pacing the room like a shark. Cause I don't budge. I don't budge. Put the seat back, let the current stop. One lone pulse in the dark comes up, then the drop hits hard like a storm surge wall, and the whole damn harbor starts to stop. Check the bass, check the high, check the woofer, check the sky. Let it crash, let it fly, make the whole ship lean right. Check the sub, check the screen, make it roar like a machine. Check the bass, check the high.
So that was the sound test with the JBL Soundbar, the SB550 Cinema. As you saw, it sounds very good. It doesn't distort at full volume. It has 3 modes: movie, music, and voice. Of course, you can enhance the bass. It has 3-4 levels of extra bass. Yes, in my opinion, this soundbar at $200, in my opinion, it is a very good acquisition. It enhances the sound of the TV. It delivers cool sound. It is almost enough for a medium party. It has the 5.25 inch woofer. It has, I think, 5 tweeters in the main soundbar unit. And yes, it sounds good. It is cheap. It looks good. It delivers bass. It has the HDMI ARC connectors. It has the optical connectors. It has the Bluetooth. What else can you want from a soundbar? Of course, you cannot compare it with the JBL Bar 1300 MK2 that cost $1,500. So it is probably 7 times more expensive than this. But come on, this will do the job of enhancing the sound of the TV, and of course delivers the sound to you. It doesn't have Atmos. It doesn't have a small display. I really wanted a small display to see the volume, to see the inputs, you know, but you can manage with this. So in my opinion, yes, thumbs up for JBL. This is a very cool soundbar. Of course, it will not shake the house, it will not rumble the house very hard, but it will do just fine, and it has enough power, you know, to fill a small room with sound. Yes, in my opinion, I will recommend you to buy it, and I am grateful for your comments to indicate me to test this soundbar, because I didn't want to test it, but it was many subscribers or followers that recommend me to test this soundbar, and yes, it is really good. So you can get good products at a lower price. So what do you think about the JBL Cinema SB550? Will you buy it or not? In my opinion, at $200, yes, it is a very good acquisition. And remember, if you like the song, you will find it on members only on my channel. So just become members. That membership will help me a lot. It is not expensive, it costs only $2 a month, the lower level, but it will help me a lot. Thank you for the recommendation, and yes, I can recommend you to buy this kind of soundbar. So tell me in the comments what do you think. Till then, feel free to subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel and please hit that like button.